How to see who is logged in into your Instagram account. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Basnel, and today I'll guide you on how you can see who is logged in onto your Instagram account. Well, after the latest update, the process itself is quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through. First things first, you want to make sure that your Instagram application is updated to the latest version. You want to head into your Play Store or App Store, and there you want to search in for Instagram and update it. Once you update it, you want to simply open up Instagram account and make sure you're logged into your account. Tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen, and then tap on the three horizontal line icon or the hamburger icon at the top right corner of the screen. Once there, you want to tap on settings and privacy. Once on settings and privacy, you want to scroll down below, and there you'll be able to see the meta option, or else at the top you can see account center option. Right, you want to simply tap on that particular account center and it'll take you to the meta account center. Now here, scroll down below and you can see password and security option. Simply tap on it. Once you tap on it, you can see where you are logged in option on the security check. Simply tap on it. Once you tap on it here, simply tap on that particular device that you're on. It'll show up right there. Tap on it, and once you tap on it, you'll be able to see all other logged in devices. You can see here my account is logged in on iPhone 11, Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus, and another unknown device that is PC, potentially an iPhone 14 Pro Max, and various other devices. So this way you can see who is logged in into your Instagram account. If you wish to log them all out, you can simply tap on select devices to log out at the bottom of the screen, and then select all and select, or else select only the ones that you want to log out from and simply tap on log out. So this way you can see who is logged in into your Instagram account. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.